Malawit. Pass to corner. De La Cruz pinabitin. May foul. Malawit. Bounce. Uy! Guerrero. Pass to Anak Bogo. Chest 3. Bang! Anak Bogo 3. Cross pass.
Here's Salinas.
Soy! Luka! And here you go. Stage De La Cruz. Bakit po ito? Montino. Step. Pass. Oh! Good for two. Balena.
Stop.
Pull up yet. The free throw line. Bang! Basket and one! For the inbound. Looking for the receiver. Corner 3. Bang! At the basket! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Championship Game 2 ng Intertown Bulacan para sa laban ng Marilao at Bukawi Juniors Division, mga idol. Here we go, it's a jump ball. Monares versus Javier. First ball possession para sa kupunan ng Bukawi. And is Mawawit. Pass to Salinel, the MVP. Final MVP Salinel. Good. Marawit. No good. And here you go, pass on the inside. Salinel launches to bucket ball to Guerrero. Di-discarte dito. Cross pass. Guerrero. Stops at the middle. Drives. Crossover lays. Short. Rebound. Putbang shot. Javier. Senyedo. Sumisinyas yung mata mo. Mata tingin, sabi. Sa corner. Malawit. Pass to corner. Drive. De La Cruz pinabitin. May foul. Malawit. Stop. Cross pass. Here's Salinel. Space. Oy! Luka! Oy! Oh! And here you go. Dribbling the ball. Pass to the middle. Guerrero. Oh, Anspo. And here you go. Nice. Stage. De La Cruz. Bakit for two? And the long pass. Kinabitin. Oh, bakit for na here for the Team Marilao. Tie game tayo, mga idol. Oh, Gana. Holding the ball. Cross pass. And pass. Sa gitna. Launches 3. Bang! Basket and one. 4-point play. And here you go, Balena, pumasok na. And yes, one-on-one corner. Drive, side step. De La Cruz, basket and one. Montino here. Stops. Pass to the middle. Launches 3. Bam! 3-point. Montino. Pass to the corner. Cross pass inside. Pass to Montino. Gana drives. Pull up J. Binasa sa loob. Ang gandang connection. Extra pass sa loob yun. Balena dribbling the ball between the legs. 3 ball. Crossover. Spins. Stops. Mid corner. Cross pass. Fakes. De La Cruz drives. Gumangga. Pasok yan. De La Cruz. Short. Balena. Stop. Pull up yet. The free throw line. Bang! Basket and one. Pepaño for the rebound. Montino. Crossover. Stop. Corner. To the middle. Pepaño sa 3. Off target. Nabitawan ng bola. Naagaw. Montino. Side step. Pass. Oh! Good for two. Rebound ng Monares. Balena sumigsag. Ang gandang basa at na connection. Sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Here's number 14, Bukawi. And Balena in the corner. Attacks. So Rosales kicks out. Balena drives. Pass it back. Rosales launches 3. Short. Montino for the rebound. Montino. Atake. Nakalusot. Pull up dyan the middle. Short. At rebound but Raymundo. Natapikan. Pass break ngayon. 1-on-1. Minute-pit. Kinig ng Guardia. Kinaliwa. Pass. Montino. Setting the play. Stop. Sa gitna. Anak Bogo. Launches 3. Short. Reverse layup. Raymundo. Rosales. Rosales. Stop. 5. Balena. Montino. Pass to Raymundo. Sa Anak Bogo. Extra pass 3. Bang! Anak Bogo. Binalik. And pass back. Guerrero. Pass to Anak Bogo. Launches 3. Bang! Anak Bogo. 3. Malawit. Malawit. Drives. Lays. Bucket. Jose. Pass to Malawit. Malawit. Stop. De Los Santos. Picks. Drives. Jose pinabitin. And Raymundo drives. Bam. Saez. Launches 3. Bam. Saez. Malawit. Nagmamadali. At the middle of the court is slowly moving down. Go crossover. Spins. Naagawan. Saez. Back to back puntos. 5. Señedo. Long pass. Jose. Pull up niya 3. Bang! Dribble! Raymundo. Raymundo sumasayaw. Pinasa kay Saez. Kicks out. Guerrero. Stop. Saez. Attacks. Body to body. Binounce pass na agawan. Señedo is open for 3. Short. Rebound, put back, foul, basket and 1. Montino. Montino. Pass to the middle of the corner. Pinasa extra pass pa. Resurrex. Jose. Jose dumidiskarte dito. And drives. Pinasa sa kalaban. And the pass break. Oh! Oh! Supal-pal ang inabot. Back to rebound here. Natapikan Señedo. Señedo na recover. Pass inside. Pinabitin. Oh! Bumop! Guerrero. Guerrero. Behind the back dribble. Pumagit na. Pinasa sa kalaban ulit. Balena. Passes to Salinel, the final MVP floater shot, bucket for 2. Nakalusot, Guerrero, crossover, pinasa sa loob, head away, no traveling, no basket. Señedo, pass it to Monares, to Balena, bounce pass there, to the final MVP, kakaltag, floater, final. Montino. Montino nakalusot. Pasa sa gitna. Floater shot. Bucket for 2. Balena. Señedo sumisinyas. Pass to Balena. Wide open for 3. Short. Nazareno for the rebound. Ogana. Cross pass. Cruz. Drives. Lays. Oh, may foul. Oy. Baldog Señedo. Checking the clock. Down to 8. De La Cruz. 3 seconds. Drive. Lays. That's the end. Montino. Montino here. Sumiksat. Bounce pass inside. Top of the glass. Cruz. Balena to De La Cruz. Bounce pass to Salinel. Pass back to Sanchez. Rebound dito. Corner, open for 3, De La Cruz. Bang! 3 points! Balena, kicks on the corner, takes, attacks. Oh, binabitin pa De La Cruz. The ball passes to Cruz. Cruz dito, atake. Kicks out. Launches 3, Raimundo, off target. Here's Tim Bocaue, De La Cruz. Señedo drives, nakalusot, basket and 1. Here's Saez, pass to Raimundo, umatake, lays up, pocket for 2. Balena, De La Cruz takes, drives, kinaldag, hinatid, floater, supalpal, andun si Salinel, save the ball, bars, my foul. Anak Bogu, stop, pull up J, pocket for 2, Anak Bogu. Guerrero, pass to the corner, Anak Bogu. Pass to the middle. Guerrero, drives, lays, pocket for 2. Guerrero spins, to the middle, Javier, no good. Rebound dito. Jose. Passes to Monares. To Balena. Malawit. Jose. Di distansya. Natabikan. Raimundo. Kinignan ba yung gwardiya? Easy bucket. Goal! Guerrero. Pass to Raimundo sa 3. No good. Rebound, Team Marilao. Guerrero. 3 seconds on the shot clock for the inbound. Looking for the receiver. Corner 3. Bang! At the buzzer! That's the end of the third quarter. Pass to Señedo. Drives. Nalibre. Nakalusot. Pocket for 2. Anak Bogu, nagmamadali. And here you go, Montino, spins up, crossover, Roy, pull up J, pocket for 2. Balena to Salinel, spins, pass inside, spins, supalpal. Montino, 1 versus 2, and short. Apakamaas naman no. Salinel drives, floater, supalpal. Balena, pass to Señedo, to Monares. Pass to Salinel, spins, fires, bucket for 2, MVP mo. Raimundo nakalusot, pass to the middle, off the glass, Nazareno. Cross pass, Salinel sa 3. De La Cruz, Cruz here, posting up. Long 3, off the mark. Libre, Nazareno. Balena, long pass. Tatalgag dito, spin, Rosales. No good. Rebound. Put back sa 2, recover and finish. Montino. Crossover, pull up J. Salinel. Raimundo Pass in the inside. Pull up J. No good. Valena. Pass to Salinel. Salinel. Sa 3. Rosales. Bang! Rosales! Montino. Montino sa 3. Binawian. Bang! 3 points! Oh, technical! Raimundo. Oh. Raimundo.